Curious about the fuse box locations in your 2025 Jeep Cherokee Compass? Wondering what each fuse controls and how to identify them? This guide provides detailed diagrams and explanations to help you manage electrical components efficiently and confidently. Underhood fuse box. The underhood fuse box houses essential fuses and relays for critical vehicle systems such as the engine, cooling fans, and ABS. It safeguards components by interrupting power during electrical faults. Accessible near the engine bay, it simplifies troubleshooting. Interior fuse box. The interior fuse box protects and distributes power to essential cabin electronics like the infotainment system, interior lights, and power windows. It prevents electrical damage by interrupting power during faults. Conveniently located inside the vehicle, it aids easy maintenance. Rear cargo fuse. The rear cargo fuse box powers rear vehicle components like tail lights, power lift gates, and rear accessory outlets. It protects these systems by cutting power during electrical faults.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.